Okay. We have taken apart a what? Father? Dad? Ooh. Dad.
What?
What have we taken apart?
It's about a 1963 Gibson Skylark amp, GA-5.
Sweet.
Non-tremolo circuit.
So.
And originally it had a hum, so I was thinking it's a bad capacitor. I plugged it in for a while, and then it completely quit, and now it won't power up. So we are trying to figure out why.
So. I'm gonna interrogate you with questions. Do you have any lead on what it could be?
Well,
none of the power surges have worked.
If the capacitor is totally out, it could be that. It could have even harmed the transformer. Here. So we're just going to take it a step at a time. Check the fuse. The fuse is good. And I don't see anything obvious. No blown capacitors. No fried resistors.
Dashboard.
The tubes were all glowing when I originally got it.
Is that good or bad?
That's good.
Okay.
So we'll do a little troubleshooting.
That's the fabric. Probably makes you dizzy. Here's the body to the amp. And this is this. Cord. And then these transparent bulbs are there for what?
Those are the old valves or the vacuum tubes. I think they're original. 4 of them are Raytheon, and one of them is an old RCA. I don't think this amp has too many hours on it for as old as it is.
Pretty good condition except for all the dust and stuff.
Yeah.
Cool.
The speaker had been replaced. It's not the original speaker.
Oh, I forgot to show them that. Hang on. Okay. I can flip this over, right?
Careful. Got a bunch of screws stuck to the magnet here.
This is very magnetic.
Careful.
Let me zoom.
Okay. The reason why I'm sure it's not original is the speaker's been taken out of some other cabinet.
It's been glued.
Where it was
had been ripped out.
Glued in. That's some old particle board that came with it.
Which I don't know why you would leave that on there if you wanted people to believe that it was real. Magnetic.
Well, I'm sure they weren't trying to deceive anybody. I'm sure it's just
how it happened.
Replaced a bad speaker.
These are the boards to the top, back, and the bottom back. These are all the screws and nuts and washers we've taken out. A pencil, even those pliers. I don't know what those are called. A bunch of wrenches, screwdriver. Dad, what are these called?
Flush cutters.
Oh yeah, you told me that. Flush cutters. A big one, and I don't know what that's called.
What? It's just
monkey wrench.
No.
Dang.
It's a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. extension,
wire
3/8
brush.
socket.
Okay, wire brush. And then this is a electric capacitor thingy. Tells you how many volts are in something?
That's a simple multimeter.
Oh.
Measures volts AC, DC,
AC/DC.
amperage, capacitance, ohms.
Let's see what he's got in his tool bags. What?
My tool bag is a Walmart sack or something.
Okay, what is this?
That's actually an automotive 12-volt test light that I was going to use to convert to a capacitor discharge tool. I was going to solder a resistor inside of it.
Cool. Is this a type of wrench? Is it a monkey wrench?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
No.
Oh.
It's an adjustable crescent wrench.
Oh, it's a crescent wrench. So, like, so you can do it where's that? Manually, and then
runs on batteries.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Are you serious?
What do you think it runs on? Nuclear power?
Solar power?
Batteries are in there.
There are batteries in there?
Mm-hmm. 2 AAAs.
That's some crazy stuff. What else is in here? Whoa. This is like... What is this?
That's another
sharp thing.
test light I was going to use maybe for a discharge tool.
Coolness. Okay, we have little tiny resistors. And heat shrink tubes. And another thing of resistors. Receipt. Oh, wait. Silver bearing solder.
Solder.
Oh, my bad.
Silent L.
Okay. What is it? What does it do?
When you see this little, like, shiny, melted stuff right there,
yes.
That's been soldered. It's a way to, you heat it up and it melts.
Adhesive.
Sort of.
I don't even know what adhesive is. And we have been taking pictures of it.
Alright. Are you done?
That's something you say on the camera. Are you done yet? Okay, so. I turned it off, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is your basic stuff. I'm gonna trip over my chair.